Good evening, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Uh, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to the n8n Automation and AI powered workflow course. I'm Bershia. In today's fast paced digital environment, automation is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you are a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, learning how to automate repetitive tasks and significantly improve our efficiency, save valuable time, and unlock new levels of productivity. This course is designed with a clear objective to help you understand the fundamentals of workflow automation using n8n and how artificial intelligence, especially agentic AI, can enhance decision making, perform actions autonomously, and drive smarter systems. Today, we will begin with introduction to AI and its role in automation. We'll also take a closer look at the key differences between generative AI, which focuses on creating content, and agentic AI, which is designed to act independently and execute tasks based on objectives, a concept that is reshaping the future of work. We have also planned a short activity to break the ice to get to know each other better. Because while this course is about automation, it is also about human collaboration, ideas, and shared learning. Once again, thank you for being here today. I look forward to an engaging and enriching experience together. Let's begin. Handing over to the instructor, Rizolin Solomon.
Hey, hello guys. I am Rijolen. So today I welcome you to all to the day one of n8n automation and AI powered workflow course. And I am Rijolen here, and I'm going to be your instructor for the 10 days, and you can call me as a crime partner in crime for the next 10 days. So you know that what how this AI is changing the world, right? So from the beginning of the course itself, on this first day, I will be telling about the concept of AI, how what is AI, what is generative AI, and what is agentic AI. So I'll be telling about the differences of most of the AIs that were released now. So from the beginning itself, in the first day you will be getting the concept of the n8n course. So today we are not going to travel along n8n. Today we are just going to grab around the concepts of generative AI. So let's start the session. So first I will be taking the session, and then there will be an ice breaking event, and there will be a quiz session followed by it. So I'll start the course now. Okay. Can you all guys reply me whether you can hear me? If you can hear me, give a +1 in chat. Come on, guys. We'll make it interactive, and you can ask whatever the doubts you have. You can interact with me by raising your hands, or in chat box. You can answer us. So okay, come on, guys. I need your energetic expressions. Give your +1s in chat box. So okay, I think everyone can hear me. So I'll start with the session. Okay. First, we are traveling around agentic AI. So what is agentic AI? So already you have know that you have registered for the n8n automation course, which is a branch of agentic AI. So we are going to learn what is agentic AI first. So agentic AI is a large. You all know about large language. You all know about large language models like LLMs. So what is LLM is some of the websites or application which follows machine learning criteria is called LLMs, and like we are every day we are using Amazon, right? So it is also an LLM. How it is a LLM, I can describe like if you are searching for a product or something in the next day you will be getting the same search recommendation, right, in ads or something. In that, llms are used. It is a part of agentic ai. Okay. So this agentic AI is used in many places, like in many of the vehicle manufacturing companies, they use agentic AI for automating the uh, manufacturing robots. So we'll see the evolution of agentic AI. Okay, we'll make it interactive. So can you guys please answer me, like what is the first thing you heard about when an AI came? What are the modules, or like you can tell about ChatGPT, Cloud? What was the first thing you heard in your ear that AI is booming or something? You can unmute yourself, or you can give your responses in chat box also. Yeah, Mohan, you can unmute yourself. Come on, guys, don't be sleepy. Try to be interactive with me, otherwise I will also get sleep. Okay, you don't know about what is anything, right? You all are acting like that. So okay, let me explain. So, from my point of view, from the word term AI, what I heard first is ChatGPT, which was a generative AI. So now you will see the evolution of agentic AI. First, it is developed by machine learning. You all guys know about machine learning, I think. So I'll tell the basic concept about machine learning also. What is machine learning is a thing, a module or something which can save your save which can save your activities, and it can recommend, or it can give suggestion to you according to your knowledge, or according to your behavior. So that is called machine learning. If a machine learning module is developed, your user details or have been trained in that machine learning module, like more than 1000 or 2000. I'm telling in a base value, like more than 1000 or 2000 behaviors of you are using the lab or something is have been trained in this machine learning module. So from that machine learning module, uh, a concept arrived, that is LLM. As I already told you, what is LLM, which is large language module, which goes through many complex networks of researchers and networks of users, history, everything it will analyze, and it will give a solution. So the last one till now, till date, is agentic AI, which is an automation AI, which in which you can what to say automate anything you can. So you all guys have a doubt that this AI can replace your jobs, right? Is it so? Give your plus ones in chat box. Or if you're not agreeing, you can put minus one.
It depends on the job.
Yeah, depends on the job. Okay, others. Okay, I can see everyone are giving a plus one here. So if you all are agreeing in that statement, right? So after the arrival of agentic AI, I also had a doubt that everyone's job is going to be, not everyone, like from 100 percentage, the job market is going to be at 10 percentage for humans use. So before, after the chat gpt rise or generative AI rise, many people are telling that every people's job is going to be taken away from by AI. That time that was nothing. Chat gpt is like generative AI. Generative AI is something that it can just give you the what is it, give you the content or something. It can't automate anything, it can't do your task or something. So after this agentic AI, it can do everything. That only you will be learning at the upcoming classes. It can automate everything. You're like, if you are a teacher and if you are taking a giving homework in Google Classrooms, you need to evaluate it or you need to correct it. So that also we can automate with n8n. If you link Google Classroom node and Google Sheets node to the n8n, it can itself validate the answers and it can itself give the results. So how much of you seen the message that we have sent in Gmail today about the course? You can give plus one in chats. Okay, that Gmail was a n8n automated message. Anyone didn't, our team didn't send you the Gmail. It was an automated Gmail. It came by using n8n. So we'll be learning how to do it in the upcoming classes. So this is the evolution of agentic AI. First, the early AI modules came, and that machine learning era came, and another then LLMs came, then generative AI came, and then the agentic AI till date. I think in 2030 or 2035, we'll be seeing another generation of AI, which gives tough competition to this agentic AI. So let's go, let's see how this agentic AI works. So as I already told you, how a machine learning module works, it understands your user behaviors and analyze it, and it gives results, right? I told you already. So this agentic AI is also going to do the same thing in this. So first it processes the data using LLMs and machine learning. First it's understand you. If you are using a mobile or if you are using a platform like Amazon, Flipkart, it is capturing your what to say, it is capturing your details. What are the things you are searching, what are the things you like, or what are the things you love. It's all, we are thinking that we are having privacy in using mobile, but I can tell that if you are, after this boom of AI, what are the privacies we expected in phone, everything is not good. It all it is all seen by this AI modules or machine learning modules to analyze your data. So the first task is understanding your behavior. So the next one is goal setting. So if you are having a, if you are a startup owner, or if you are a businessman, or if you are a student or a teacher, first we will be having a daily schedule, right? So if you are a, teacher, if you are going to class, college or school, the students will be maintaining many 2 to 3 classes. So every classes have been allotted with many alternative schedules. Everything will not be same. So we'll be setting the goal for the daily schedule classes. So in this agentic AI also, after understanding your user, after understanding your users, and it will analyze it, and after that it will set a goal, and you should set it like in Google Classroom or say Google Calendar. You can type that I'm having a meeting at this time at this location. If you are telling that, it will, you are getting a reminder, right? If you are assigning a workshop or meeting in Google Classroom or something, you are getting a notification in that time, right? That something is you are having a meeting at this time or somewhere like that, you will be getting. So that is called goal setting. And in this agentic AI, we are going to tell the module or n8n that you need to do this job. We are assigning it to the n8n. So after that, the process is execution. The whatever the goal set you have set to the module, it will be executing the process without the human input. You no need of sitting and uh, in a basic, I'll tell you, like if it is an agentic AI module, you no need of sitting in a place, and you need to instruct the robot, or you need to instruct the module every time. So when you are telling it once in the lifetime, it will be doing it till the your life ends, I can say. So that is the execution border. You no need of bothering about anything. Everything it will automate. So and the next one is learning. As I already told you, it will learn from the interactions you make. So all are clear about this agentic AI, how an agentic AI works, right? First is understanding, and it is setting a goal, and it is executing, and then again it is learning for the process of understanding. So I think I can move from this.
I have a small doubt.
Yeah,
So I perfectly understood what Agentic AI is, and what is n8n? How is it relevant to this? And
yeah.
it's is it like a chat GPT software or something?
No, no. It is exactly not like that. ChatGPT is a generative AI soft module. So in a generative AI, which is generating on text or images or
No, that
music
I get.
from a prompt. Yeah,
It's using a different model, but still an interface between a human and the software. Is it?
yeah. N8n is a module which is used to automate things. Without a
Hmm.
prompt, we are going to trigger the nodes and trigger the what are the inputs we are taking. We are going to trigger it, and we are getting the result. That is
Great.
N8n. It is a platform.
Got it.
Yeah,
You
you
can
will
go
be
ahead.
learning about N8n in the future classes.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now we'll be seeing about the benefits of agentic AI. So, what are the benefits of this agentic AI or N8n? What it is actually doing? So it is very efficient. Like there is no need of setting up a big office, employing 50 people in an office and giving them salary, electricity bill, network bills, etc. You no need of doing anything. It is actually cost effective also. So it is giving effective job. And another thing is, if you are hiring a person also, he'll be doing it for sending Gmail to 100 persons. If you hire a person, he will do it in almost 4 to 5 hours. It will take. But if you are using this agentic AI in it, it takes just zero point 0.5 seconds for executing or sending 500 or 1,000 mails to the recipients. So it is very efficient in our daily basis. And another thing is scalability, which can adapt to business growth and evolving demands. And as I already told, it is cost effective. And the main thing is this n8n node we are using is now a free of cost. And I think in next month it will be a paid version. We'll be having free version also. You can use in free version also. So it is very cost effective. You no need of hiring people for your things, anything. So the and it is collaboration. Many people, many if you are doing an n8n workflow, you can collaborate with many like-minded peoples for doing it. You have a community called n8n collaboration, n8n community. In that, the people um, who are mastering n8n will be there, and you'll be having a community to connect people if you are having doubts or something, etc. So these are the benefits of agentic AI. And the And the point everyone asks doubts is this: what is agentic AI and what is generative AI? What is the difference between it? What is difference between agentic AI, generative AI, traditional AI, and something it is called AI agents also? What is the difference between this? You all guys will be having a query in it. So I will clear it now. So agentic AI, as I already told you, it is autonomous. You no need of sitting it in a place or sitting in giving prompt to the module for doing a task. But generative AI is already I told you. Generative is example is ChatGPT or Claude, etc. So if you are giving a prompt only, this generative AI will work. You need to spend at least 1 minute to give a prompt to the generative AI so that it will react. But this agentic AI is not like that. If you set a goal one time, it will autonomously collect the data, send acceptance, everything. It is an automated process. So this is the main difference between agentic AI and generative AI. So there is another term called AI agents, which you will be coming to learn in the next slides. So then again, you will be utilizing tools and API keys. You guys all are about aware about API keys. Can I get it on chat box? Plus one. What is API keys? Anyone? Okay, I'll explain you. What is API key is a key which is used to, if you are using a chat GPT, you can use this chat GPT's backend GPUs and every servers in your site. If you are having a site, you can use the chat GPT in your site itself. So how it is used is you are getting an API key from the chat GPT, that is OpenAI modules. In that OpenAI community, you'll be getting an API keys from it. That API key is connected to your server. From that, the inputs will be, it will be in your site only, but it will take the inputs and generating things. Everything will be in OpenAI's what to say OpenAI's server or GPUs. So that is called API keys. Just it will be taking data from OpenAI, but you can use it in your websites or application itself. So OpenAI API keys are, they are collecting charges for using API keys in OpenAI. But if you see in Gemini, Claude, and DeepSeek, that are used in free of cost. So from tomorrow, we'll be learning about how to access these API keys from different sites and etc. in the next session. Yeah. So the main thing about difference between this is agentic AI is autonomous and generative AI is we should give prompt or something. So in content creating, generative AI is used. You will be if you are planning a event or something. If you are getting if you want to get content, just you can get it from generative AI modules like ChatGPT, Claude, etc. But what this agentic AI is doing is it can automate everything. So you'll be seeing many things, right? If you scroll reels, you will be getting like everything can be automated in your life, nothing can be done. You can earn more money from just creating an n8n node. So actually it is true. So if you are connecting the youtube apis and editing softwares apis to the n8n node, and if you give the content to the in a sheet every day, it will create a video using Google Veo or some other module for generating videos. It will automatically create the video and automatically it will publish in YouTube. Many people are doing that. We'll see the example in the upcoming classes. So this is the main difference between agentic AI and generative AI. Yeah. Any doubts?
That was a very good explanation.
Yeah.
Anyways, what is the extent of this agentic AI, application? So, I understand in terms of software, in terms of enhancing productivity, in terms of setting goals, everything it works fine. So, do it really works in handling large-scale projects? Where thousands of stakeholders are involved, thousands of processes are involved. Uh, you know, uh, is there any view about that for this?
Yeah, sure. It can be used in large scale industries also. But now it is in a development stage. n8n is in a beta stage. It is in a development stage. Now also you can be using it in MCP servers. Like it is a in LLMs also this n8n can be used. But if you are
Mm,
thinking about worldwide corporate companies automated everything in it, it is not
right.
possible nowadays. It
Okay.
can be, I think,
Uh,
within 2 to 3 months, it will be evolved. Now itself, we are having capabilities of connecting many MCP servers in a same real time process.
got it.
Yeah. Okay. Let's start with what you probably see every day. So these are the tools we are seeing every day, right? Like ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. Right? Whatever we need, if you are studying in a college or school, or if you are a teacher, everything we are using ChatGPT or generative AI modules for everything. No one is writing their assignment in their own or etc. So in everything, this generative AI is involved. This is the AI we see in everyday's life. So after you come to know about agentic AI, you will use it in everyday life. So what are the things we are using ChatGPT? Example, write a birthday vision, Shakespeare style, show me a dragon made of pizza. So these are the generative things. ChatGPT is a generative AI. It can generate things for you, but it can't automate everything, right? So next we'll be moving on to AI agents. It is not agentic AI. AI agents is separate. Okay. So these AI agents don't respond to your commands. Like only it will use tools, follow steps, and complete tasks. It won't automate. You need to set up a goal every day. Like if you need to use this tool and you should follow these steps, and after that only it will complete the task. So it is not automated. That is AI agents. So if you give a prompt like open your calendar, yeah, we are using this in everyday life, right? Like Siri, Bixby, and Gemini, we are using in mobiles, right? Whenever you are telling call Rohit or something, etc., it is calling, right? We are using it in everyday life. Open your calendar, open WhatsApp, like that. Every day we are using it in, like in Alexa we are using it. So many AI agents are there, right? This is we are used to it. First in generative AI and AI agents, now we are used to it. So what is new to us is agentic AI. So after this course outcome, everybody should use this agentic AI in everyday's life. I need to know what are the things you automated in it. It will be a good pleasure for me to hear if you are telling it. So what this agentic AI is actually can do is it can plan tasks, it can change strategies. What is the meaning of change strategies? If you are giving a task, if you are giving in a server which server doesn't exist now, it can change the server. You no need of going it manually and doing it manually to change the server or change the tools we are using. If the server of tool is down, it will use another application or something to implement the task you gave it. So the quick overview is a generative AI must just give you tips. Only it can give tips or give advices, or it can generate things. An AI agent might, what is it? Yeah, a agentic AI can do a task that you are assigning. It won't do automatically. So what exactly this agentic AI is doing it? It can give you product ideas. It can research so many areas to suggest you something. It can suggest brandings. It can give you what are the setups you need to do something, and it can track everything. What are the results you are doing? Everything it will track, and it will give you a report at the last that you have given this task to me. At the end of this time, you have done this, I have done this, what are the tasks I did, in which time zone. It will give you a complete report after doing the task. You give it to this agentic AI, which is a n8n module.
Uh, what about the data privacy?
Yeah, already I told you about the data privacy. It is not about what to say. It is not exactly more privacy for us. These
No, no,
modules will
I'm
take
not
our
talking about
privacy.
using it. I'm asking about the current module. How safe is it to enter data into it or trust it?
Actually, it is trusted, but I can't say that your details or your things, user behaviors are not tracked by this n8n modules or not. But that is tracked, but it is safe. It without marking is as a trusted module or trusted application, the government will not allow you to release the products, right? So it is trusted,
Okay.
but it is
So
not 100% sure that it won't take your details.
I got it. So, or else n8n, what you're telling, so these guys will get in touch with us for signing some NDAs or something.
I can't get it. Can you repeat?
So when we want to use this certain software, or say module for any serious projects in real life, some large scale projects. So definitely that will include a signing of a NDA, non-disclosure agreement with the the
Yeah,
other
yeah.
party. So
Yes.
will this founders or the legal team of this n8n do get into touch and support the users for that?
Actually, we no need of getting this certificates or something. Actually, I have a startup which is Lens Infotex, and in which I am using this n8n to automate everything, like sending Gmails or analyzing the data, performance the staffs are doing, etc. With this n8n. I didn't assign anything with n8n. Just we need to give permission from the API keys in our Google Cloud platform. Only that is required. Other than that, nothing is needed for
No,
not,
when your business is a monopoly or very competitive one, so what gives a confidence or comfort to the user is what my question is.
what I can say that when the beginning of ChatGPT, we were like many people told that they will steal our privacy, they will steal our data. But after going through it, we gave everything to ChatGPT, right? The same thing
Yeah, I
in
get it,
this.
and trust is fine, but something should be documented. That is for sure. Anyways, we can explore about it.
Yeah,
You can
nothing
go
is
ahead.
there like documenting or signing in. Nothing is there like that in n8n.
Got it.
Yeah. Yeah. As I already told about the applications of agentic AI, we'll see some of the application and now as an example. So it is used in autonomous vehicles. It is you all know you guys are about ADAS feature in our cars, right? In that, these agentic AI modules are used to sense the user behavior and sensing the areas of parking, etc. So in healthcare, it is used to analyze the records of the patient, uh, what are the diseases they have, and everything. It can analyze. So in finance sector, it can give you a analyzed roadmap of client by his what to say credit score or something, etc. It can analyze everything, and it can you no need of if you are a person working in bank, you no need of getting everything, checking everything the about the person's portfolio. Just if you give the document to this n8n notes or this agentic AI module, it will itself analyze the documents and it will itself give you the results of it. So and the most sector in which this agentic AI is used is customer service, as we all are aware about these chatbots. In most of the chatbots, before mm, for example, in IRCTC website, there is a chatbot which can book your ticket itself. So in that case, also this agentic AI is used for it will get your user interfaces and it will get your users preference, and it will save the history, and it behaves like a human to you, like your friend. So in these are the applications of agentic AI is used in.
Hello, excuse me. I have a doubt actually. Hello.
Hello.
Could you hear me?
Yeah, now we can hear you.
Could you make it so simple and brief because I am from other department. I couldn't get some terminologies you say.
Actually, your audio is not so audible. Can you give it in chat box? You type in chat box, I will reply you. Okay. Okay, I'll continue. You can give your doubt in chat box. I will explain you later as time is going on. So now I'm going to explain how an agentic AI system behaves. First, it gets your user request, and the agentic AI agent we made will be there, and it will get the prompt from you. And after that, what it will do is reception. So it will generate the what are the text, or if you're asking about text or audio or something, it will analyze that, and after that it will come to a decision, and from that memory before you have given to it, it will get the access from that, and it will make its own decision. Not a human brain, it is also like a human brain. It what to say, it makes its own decision by analyzing your previous histories. So after that, it will take an action. This is the workflow of agentic AI systems till date. Yeah, I'll be showing a video about this how it works.
When most people think about AI agents, they think of science fiction movies like Iron Man or Star Trek, where the computer responds to a command given to it by a human to perform a specific task.
Give me a status report on the ship.
All stations clear, sir.
In our world, early AI assistants like Siri or Amazon's Alexa could perform tasks like set a timer or play a song, but more complex tasks, additional steps, or answers to more difficult questions required more programming. The rise of large language models that are trained on massive amounts of text now have the capability to understand language. There are 4 common features that all AI agents possess. Number 1 is planning. AI agents can plan and sequence actions to achieve specific goals. Number 2 is the usage of tools. Advanced agents can use tools like code execution, search, and computation to perform their tasks. Number 3 is perception. Using visual, auditory, and other sensor data, an AI agent can perceive and process information from the environment. Number 4 is memory. An AI agent can remember past interactions and behaviors to help inform future actions. Businesses will use AI agents in many ways, including as virtual customer agents, supply chain management, sales and marketing, automating repetitive tasks, hiring and employee management, expense tracking and forecasting, product development, and cybersecurity. On the consumer side, AI agents will be seen in things like shopping assistants, self-driving cars, and AI-powered education, in which agents can create custom study plans based on your strengths and weaknesses, adjusting the difficulty and providing tips to help you learn. AI agents will be able to better control home devices like lights and appliances, and virtual assistants will become even smarter. Wearable devices will be able to better track your health and even alert you or your doctor if something goes wrong.
Is everything okay, Mrs. Smith?
In the future, AI agents will eventually talk to other AI agents, completing even more complex tasks to help make businesses and humans get their jobs done quicker and better.
Yeah, from this, I think you had some idea about what is this LLMs and what is this agentic AI, right? Yeah. Now we'll see the some basics about n8n. From this, you will be having some doubts about what is workflow, what is n8n, what is AI agent, what is API and credentials, what is MCP. This guy is blabbering something like n8n, AI agent, something what we don't know. You will be imagining, right? So now I will explain what are the things, what are the terms I used before. So what is workflow is something like a pie chart, I can say. Like in school days, you'll be learning some concept like, um, for example, weather, not weather actually, life cycle. Something you'll be learning, right? So like that, this is exactly the same like the workflow. See, life cycle chart, pie chart. So what is workflow is first you are giving the details of it, what it should do, after what it should execute this, after what which thing the other tools will be used to execute it or something. This is the UI for this n8n node, in which you are telling the workflows of the workflows of the things you are trying to automate. So in this you will be triggering some events, and after that you will be getting the data flow, you are collecting the data, and after that you will be getting the final outcome. So that is called a workflow. Nothing like as a blank paper in which you are instructing that you should do this and you should do this. That's it, like a schema. Okay, that is workflow. And what is n8n? So we saw the workflow, right? Which is a concept. Just we are telling you should do this or this, or you should do like that. We are instructing it. But what this n8n is actually is, it is an implementation method. It is a module. It is a module developed by I think nearly 20 persons. I think so. Only with 20% they have made this n8n, which is an implementation method. So if you're having a query, you are asking ChatGPT, right? That query is like workflow, and the ChatGPT is an implementation method. So that is a quick summary of this. n8n is an implementation method. So you can see down the workflow of n8n. This is the workflow that will be showcased in n8n. This will you will be learning about this workflows and what are the triggers and what are the events and what are the AI modules. Everything in the next session. So this is called n8n. So as I already told you, what is AI agent, and already I told you about APIs, which is application programming interface. I told you like it is a, what to say, it is a bridge between two things. You'll be getting the access tokens from the Google Drive or Google Sheet and giving it to the n8n. Just you are getting the information from one server and giving it to the other server. Just the bridge between that, which is API. Like for example, in a house, if you are having a door, we need to open it with key, right? That same thing. If you need to unlock something, you need to you should get the API key and it should open the server. The same thing goes with this API and credentials. You'll be learning everything in upcoming classes. And finally, the what is MCP? MCP is Model Context Protocol, which is an universal adapter. So here you can see in this workflow, you can see first we are triggering click node, and after that we are getting information from the Google Calendar, and after that we are giving it to ChatGPT for sending a reminder, and after that we are using Telegram for sending the reminder. It is a typically a Telegram chatbot workflow. So what MCP is, it is an adapter. Like you can see in this picture, it is an adapter. If you are MCP hosts are like OpenAI, ChatGPT, and Claude, that are the MCP hosts. So what are the things you are inserting in this n8n or the workflow is called MCP. They are the adapters. If you are integrating what are the things you are integrating in a workflow, it is called the MCP. Okay, so for example, if you are inserting Gmail, it is an MCP, and if you are inserting a calendar, so etc, something like this, these are called MCP. So I'm telling a short brief about MCP, but this MCP are the most things which is used in making bigger and bigger applications. Okay, by this we came to an end of the today's session. So for being something like interactive, we'll play some activity. So that is icebreaker activity. So you guys can comment in chatbot what daily task could you automate instantly if AI could do that. What are the struggles or what are the things you are facing in daily life? If you come to know about this n8n, what will be the first thing you will automate? Come on, give it in chat box, guys. Don't sleep. Be interactive. Give in your chat box. Guys, you can interact with me. For fun also, you can tell something. Let everyone laughs. Please give your responses. What is the thing you will automate first after you are getting the course with n8n? What are the things you will automate first?
ముందు దానికే ఫ్యాన్ ఉన్నది ఆల్రెడీ.
Pujol?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, Nitin.
So, I'm not really sure what kind of demographics this current team has.
Okay.
Almost we have some 33 people, I believe.
Yeah.
Anyways, so it's quite interesting to know about this. And the first thing, if really benefits me in that manner, I'll automate is automatic a project planning and automatic project management software. Or
Yeah, super. It's a good idea actually. You can automate the HR things also, like analyzing
it
daily
should be for
performance.
everyone. It should be part. Project management includes a lot of things apart from the resource management.
Yeah, it is a good idea actually. Can I know after you implement it? Can I know how did you do that?
Yeah,
After implementing, can you tell me?
it is a two-way
I'll be
process,
a
I
bit
believe.
happier.
Yeah, it is a two-way process. It will improve a lot of efficiency and productivity, and also ensure all the KPIs of the projects are met, aligning with the objectives of the organization.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Next one, Shabu. Automate my Insta. What you will automate in Insta, bro? I didn't get it actually.
Can you know what is the age group and what is the demographics of the audience you are talking to?
Actually, most of the people are college students.
That's great. I'm not I'm not a college student, but it's nice to interact with college students.
Yeah, most of the people are college students only.
Great. So it's a lot of two-way learning from between us.
Yeah. Replying chat on LinkedIn using n8n. Yeah, I can do it. I can automate reply to my WhatsApp official messages from college groups. What is a weird thing, bro? You can automate WhatsApp messages. Like if you are having some task and you need to send messages to more people, you can use this, and you can create a WhatsApp bot also, which can automatically reply to people. Devi Shri, can you please break this down into simple one? The question you are asking, question is, what daily task could you automate instantly if AI could do it? So after the course, learning about n8n, what is the first thing you will automate? Something will be in your life, like every day you should do it. That's a
No,
bullshit
I
for
just
you.
want to know about this AI things into simpler words because you have used some terminologies related to IT things. No, I was not able to recognize all those things. I was not able to catch up those. So can you make it so simple as like I can get it?
Okay,
Be-
sure.
because I'm not from the same field. I'm from a totally a different field, right? So if I'm going to use this, how this is going to be profited to me, and how is going to be differentiate from other AIs?
Yeah, okay. Can you DM me? I can
Yeah, sure.
replace because many peoples are waiting in this meeting. So we'll quit the
Okay,
meeting
okay.
soon, and you can DM me. I can reply you.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. The next is it is a quiz time. You all can log into mentimeter.com using this code. We'll be sending it in group the code, and you can join it. This is the last thing in this session. So please, all of them join and give your best performance. We'll be having a leaderboard. We'll be maintaining that leaderboard until the last. All join the quiz. Can I give a plus one in it? I think nearly 9 players have joined the quiz. Others, there are nearly 33 people. Please, everyone, join it. Yeah, 10 people. Others, okay, we'll start it. Start answering, guys. So the question is, which of the following best describes general AI, right? So 15 people have given the right answer, which is AI with the ability to understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a wide range of tasks. So hands up to the 15 peoples, and 2 peoples gave it wrong. Super. We'll be continuing the next question. Yeah. Next question is, what categorizes agentic AI the most? Okay, the last 3 seconds. Three, two, one. Okay, nearly 13 people have gave the right answer, which is goal directed behavior with autonomy and reasoning. Hands up to you guys. You can complete this. Yeah, to the next question. Which type of AI is capable of performing tasks beyond a narrow domain? Last 5 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. So the answer is general AI. The 13 people have gave the correct answer and 4 people gave wrong. Try to get the way in the next round. So the fourth question is, what is the main difference between reactive and agentic AI systems? Get soon, guys. The time is going. Last 5 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Sure answer. Yeah, the correct answer is agentic AI can reason, plan, and act towards goals. 12 people gave the correct answer. Actually, there is 24 people, but only 17 are responding. What about others? Okay, we'll be going to the next question. Yeah, it is a true or false questions. General AI and agentic AI refer to the same concept. This is a tricky question I have explained many times. Yeah, last 5 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Yeah, yeah. The answer is false. A genius gave true, one genius. Okay, we're going to the next question. Current popular AI modules like ChatGPT are examples of general AI. Last 5 seconds. Five, four, three, two. Yeah, the answer is false. 6 people gave it correct, and 10 people gave wrong answer. Better luck next time, guys. Yeah. The next question is, agentic AI requires an understanding of environments, goals, and planning strategies. The timer is ticking. Five, four, three, two, one. Okay, the answer is true. 16 people gave it true and it's a correct answer. The other one, better luck next time. Yeah, I think we came to the last three questions. The question is artificial intelligence has no application in ethics or decision making. Last 5 minutes. Five, four, three, two, one. Yeah, show the answer. Yeah, the answer is false, and 14 people gave it correct answer. Others, better luck next time. Yeah. The next question is narrow AI is more common today than general AI. Start giving your answers, guys. Five, four, three, two, one. Yeah, the answer is false. 10 people gave it wrong, but 7 people clicked it. Nice, guys. We'll go to the next question, which is a last question. Yeah, it is a last question. Yeah. Yeah. It's a great jam, guys. You gave answers, and the results will be then, and the leaderboard will be shared in the group shortly. Thank you for your participation, and we will next meet you tomorrow at 7 to 8 session. It will be a core subject about n8n, how to install n8n, how to create etc. Tomorrow will be a important session, so every people are requested to join tomorrow at same 7 o'clock at the same link. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye.